Okay, boys and gals, this is how to install every Office 360 app for free from the university. You can Google Office, and then it will show you this right here, Office 360 login. You should log in into your account. I already logged in. Okay, and then you should go to install Office 360 apps. It will ask you where to install it. You can install it with wherever you want. Okay, and then when you finish installing that, let me show you. Okay, when you finish installing that, it will open this page right here. I've already downloaded that app on my computer, so this will not install it. This will install all the applications. Anyhow, when you finish downloading that and setting up the program, you can go inside of your browser and then type Office. It will show you right here. And then you need to log in into your account from here. Over here. You can log in into your account, and then you will find access over here. Or any app you want from Office 360.